And the security forces are reporting more than 20 persons have been detained in Mount Salem, St. James. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm now looks at what's been happening on the ground.
Members of the security forces taking up their positions on the streets of Mount Salem, St. James, in front of lanes, patrolling in vehicles, and even standing guard in front of a bar. A show of strength was also on display through the use of protected mobility vehicles. But where exactly is the zone of special operations?
In the north, starting at the intersection of Mount Salem Road and Catherine Drive, and continuing east along Mount Salem Road to the intersection with Clark Street. The eastern boundary, starting at the intersection of Mount Salem Road and Clark Street, continuing southwest along Clark Street to Catherine Avenue in the vicinity of the entrance to a track.
Communities in Gully Course, Jarrett Terrace and Barrett View Drive will also be affected.
There are 12 major gangs operating within the space. These are the Junglist Alliance, Bronx Faction, Texas Faction, Unruly, Green Tank, Temple Lane, Cotton Lane, Cells of Nation Crocs, OG Gangsters, Blake Family, Cells of G City.
So what's the status of the gangs?
While some of these gangs are not actually domiciled within this geographic space, they do continue to have significant impact in Mount Salem, and they are spreading their influence right across the St. James community. The objective of the zones of special operation is to disrupt and dismantle these gangs and create a safer community.
But for one resident,
why?
Just a few days after the police gone and the soldier gone, things gone back to normal. Simple.
Another is hoping that the zone of special operations will get rid of criminals.
Because of them, we cannot open at certain time. We have to be watching our back. People don't want to come out to shop because of the criminal. They want to stay home. Come out in the day, gone out at night, come out again.
With Mount Salem and its environs being a zone of special operations, police officers or soldiers may search any vehicle, place or person in the area without a warrant if they suspect criminal activity. Residents can identify the security forces by looking for the yellow tag marked Joint Force. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.